Recording in progress.
Hello everyone. In this video session, we will try to understand NumPy axis. Okay. So if axis is 0, there will be a column-wise operation, and if axis is 1, it will be a row-wise operation. And we'll try to understand the concatenate function of it. They have is in stack, hstack, vstack, and dstack. All these functions we'll see. I have created a NumPy array. So it's two-dimensional. So 0, 2, 1, and 3, 5, 4. Okay, if we see the shape of that, it's 2 by 3. So two rows and 3 columns. So column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, so the same we can represent it as I just taken this replica of here in a diagrammatic format. So 0, 0, 2, 1 and 3, 5, 4. So there is a 0 to 1 is 1 row, 3, 5, 4 is 1 row, and this total array in the same array, top to bottom is a column. So 0, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, all are columns. Okay. Similarly, I defined one more array. I'll explain you on that. Now we have seen the shape, and it's a if you see the code here, it's a two-dimensional array. And similarly, I have created one more array, 8, 7, 6, 10, 11, 10, 9, and the shape is 2 by 3 only and two-dimensional. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to sort the value of x array. Okay, so 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. And I'm taking the axis as 0. So axis 0 means it's column wise. Okay, so 0 to just see the array here, 0 to 1 and 3, 5, 4. So it will sort the array column wise, means out of this column, in first column 0, 3, what is the least number? 0. So 0, 3 it will come. In out of in the second column 2, 5, what is the least number? 2. So 2, 5 it will come. Because this already sorted in, in a column wise 1, 4, we can't see much difference here. If you see np dot sort of axis x and axis 1, so row wise operation, here you can see the difference. Row wise, so 0 to 1 is 1 row. So this row will sort. So 0 will come first, and then 1 will come first, second, and then number 2. So, and then the second row 3, 5, 4. So 3, then 4, then 5. So similarly, it was sorted here. Okay. So like that, we can sort the arrays axis wise. Now we will try to see how to join two arrays using various operations like concatenate, stack, hstack, vstack, and dstack. Okay, let us see the concatenate function. So concatenate, it will join the two arrays with respect to the given axis, either rows or columns. Okay, so I'll try to create 2 by 3. Already we can take this same example, 2 by 3 arrays, and we'll try to concatenate these two. Let us print here. First one is print of what is that? X. First array, NumPy array, and then print of second NumPy array. So this is the actual values. Now let us try to concatenate it. So NumPy np dot concatenate. Okay, and we have to pass the two arrays here. And so if we don't pass any axis, so the axis will be 0 by default. Means column wise operation it will take up. And if you print this, now you can see 0, 2, 1, and 3, 5, 4, and then 8, 7, 6, 11, 10, 9. So if you see here, 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, and then 11, 10, 9. So this way it was concatenated. Okay. And if you do the concatenation using axis 1, okay, let us update this to axis 1, and then it should be a row wise, and you see the different result. Now you take 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, and then 11, 10, 9. Sorry, I have not given the axis here. Axis equals to 1. Now if you see here, it will concatenate row wise. So 0 to 1 of first matrix, so first this part 0 to 1, and sorry, we need to see these two. So 0 to 1, and then 8, 7, 6. Okay, so this is row wise, first row of first matrix and first row of second matrix. So those two concatenate 8, 7, 6. And here second row of first matrix with second row of second matrix 11, 10, 11, 10, 9. So those two are concatenated like that. Okay, hope you understood. So there should be no confusion. When axis is 0, it will, the concatenation will be done column wise. When axis is 1, the concatenation will be done row wise. Now let us take different function, stack function. I'll save this in a z variable. So np dot stack of x comma y. np dot stack of x comma y. So this is I'll show you after the, I'll tell you after the stack is printed. So print of z. Okay. So stacking, actually it is putting first row of the first array and first row of the second array, and then second row of the first array and second row of the second array, like that. Okay. So if you see it here, the first row 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay. And then first row of the second array. What is the first row of the second array? Row 1, 0 to 1, and then so here what happens? So it will stack if you don't give access by default. So it will stack with access equal to 0 column wise. So if you see 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 3, 5, 4, and 8, 7, 6, 11, 10, 9, it will take it as, it will take like this. Okay. So 0 to 1, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, and 10, 11. So 11, 10, 9. So if you see the shape, it is 2 by 2 by 3, and it became a 3-dimensional. Okay. So the difference between concatenate and this stack here, it is concatenated only on the, I mean, single matrix. Okay. But here it is a 3-dimensional matrix. So just change it, but stacked together. Okay. So similarly, if you give this tag axis equals to 1. Okay, then print Z. Now axis equals to 1 means it will do row wise. Okay, if you see here, what is that? 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, and 11, 10, 9. So 0, 2, 1 is first row, and then 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6 is the first row of second matrix. First row of first matrix and first row of second matrix, and then second row of first matrix, and then second row of second matrix. Like that, it will take second direct. It will take. Now, if you can see, so it was updated like that, and you can see the shape also. So z dot shape and z dot dimension. So it will be 3-dimensional. And similarly, we have stack vertical stack and horizontal stack functions also there. So np dot vertical stack x comma y. So this is just like concatenate. If you see here, concatenate 0 to 1, 3, 5, 4, and 8, 7, 6, 11, 10, 9. Okay. So only the matrix dimension has not changed. It is the same. And if you give h horizontal stack, so it will take 0 to 1, and then 8, 7, 6. So 0 to 1, 8, 7, 6, 3, 5, 4, and then 11, 10, 9. So this is a horizontal stacking. Okay, hope you understood. Next, one more left one is np dot depth stack. Okay, so it will take like this. What is our elements? 0, 2. Okay, let us try to print that first instead of searching. So let us print x and then y. Now np dot depth stack of x comma y. It will 0 to 1. Okay. Now let us see. So it will print like it will take 0, this one, and then this 8, and then by depth wise. So 2, 7, 1, 6. Okay, this will be and then 3, 11, 5, 10, 4, this one, and 9. Okay, now dimension also here changed. So shape, it is, sorry, what is that? Okay, we need to, so I'll say p equal to np dot stack, and print p, and p dot shape. So it is a 2, okay, 2 by 3 by 2, and then you see the dimension p dot, so it will be 3-dimensional like that. Okay, so in this way we can join two arrays using concatenate, stack, h stack, v stack, and v stack. Hope you understood. This matters array 1, array 2. These are the two examples we have taken, and we performed all these operations. I think you understood. We'll see more tutorials, I mean videos on NumPy in the coming session videos. Thank you. We'll